Hey there everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to use a timed snap feature on Snapchat. Just open up Snapchat and take a photo or anything that you want. There we go. Let's just add a little sticker so you can see what I'm talking about. Right here. So, if you want people to be able to see this snap only once and not to be able to save it, and for a limited period of time they cannot hold it so they can take photo of it or record it with another phone quickly enough the moment they open it, what you do is click on the little timer icon right over here. So here you can select for how long they can see it. You can go up to 10, or if you set it to the infinity symbol like it is here, this is how it is without even touching it. So this is the standard. I was just playing around with it beforehand. So you must click on this and just set it for like whatever time you want, for 3 seconds for example. And the icon here will change to 3. This means once they open it, they will have 3 seconds to look at it and it will be deleted forever as well. And that's it. Well, they can replay it once, but the replay will be again for 3 seconds, and that's it. Hope this helped. See you next time. If it did, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.